Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enrolling a passkey on your device. Do this now. Use a phone or PC with secure hardware and enable a screen lock and biometric or PIN so the device can protect the key. Open the account's security settings and choose Add Passkey. Once prompted, follow the device UI to confirm creation. This first step stores a private credential locally, so make sure the device stays secure and registers the public key with the service for future logins. Now create and verify the passkey with the account. When the site asks, use your biometric or PIN to generate the private key. The browser or OS sends only the public key to the service. Once done, the service may ask you to confirm your email or a second factor. Complete that so the credential links to your account. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name so you recognize the device later, and test signing in immediately to verify successful creation. To complete login, pick the passkey option at the sign-in screen and approve the request with your biometric or PIN on the registered device. If your primary device is lost, make sure you previously added a backup passkey or use the account recovery flow to regain access. If signing fails, check that platform authenticators are enabled and your browser or OS is up to date. Once updated, try again. One key troubleshooting tip: re-register the passkey after clearing stale credentials or failed registrations to resolve mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.